Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to share you 5 free certification courses where you can learn Power BI and Tableau. Out of these 5 courses, 3 courses will be there where you can learn each and everything for free of cost, plus you will get the certificate from the platform. And 2 courses will be there where you can learn the course free of cost, but you will not get any certification from there. So before going ahead, please subscribe the channel, and if you are liking this video, please press the like button. So guys, I have all the certificates here, and here too will be a bonus certificate that I am going to tell you. First bonus certificate is get started with SQL Analytics and BI on Databricks. Here you will learn SQL Analytics and BI from the Databricks. This course is by Databricks and it is offered by Skill Up by Simplilearn. Here the module is 2 hours long and you will get the completion certificate without any paying money. Okay, you need to just enroll for it, you need to complete the course and you will get the certificate. There is no hidden charges or something. 90 days of access you will get out of it. Okay, and these are some skills that you are going to learn, plus who can enroll for this. So any fresher can enroll for this. Then what you will learn, so there are 5 or 6 modules here. First is your course introduction, second is Databricks overview, you will get to know about Databricks. Third will be using Databricks for data analysis. Fourth will be Databricks AI BI, and last will be your course summary. So this is the certificate that you will get at the end of this course. Okay, and you can learn more about it. I'll give the link into the description. Now let's talk about our Power BI course certificate. So this is from Microsoft. Here you will not get a certificate, but you can learn each and everything in detail. As this course preparation is for the Power BI examination, if you want to enroll for that examination, you can go for enrollment and you can book your exam slot. But if you want to just learn, then this course is perfect for you. This is directly from the Microsoft. Okay, in this course you will get multiple things. Okay, so how can you do this? First of all, you can go to this page and you can simply log in from here, sign in from here, and then you can start working on it. Okay, here you will get a free course, which is, you can see here there are modules, and get started with Microsoft Data Analytics. Then you will prepare for data analysis with Power BI, model data with Power BI, then design effective reports in Power BI, and last is manage and secure Power BI. So these are the things that you are going to learn in this program. Okay, and this is absolutely free. You can go and check it out. Okay, and if you want to like schedule your examination, you can take a practice assessment for it. You can exam sandbox. This is experience demo. You will get the demo of the sandbox, and then you can prepare for the PEL 300. This is the examination offered by Microsoft. If you want to become a certified Power BI developer, then you can go for this. Okay, and this is the exam module. Okay, so I'm not gonna talk about the exam module, but yeah, you can go and check it out. Next course is from IBM. So IBM is having cognitiveclass.ai as a platform where you will get different courses, plus you will get batch and the certificate. Okay, batch, if I talk about the batch, you will get this kind of batches from the cognitiveclass.ai, and plus you will get the certificate. Okay, so this course is from IBM Skills Network. So this is the getting started with Tableau online. This course is for the online version of Tableau, not a web version. Okay, if you want to learn web version, so I have one more course for it, but yeah, you can enroll for this as this is coming from directly IBM. Plus you will get the guided project over here, plus you will learn data analytics. Already 2.42k, means 2000 plus people already enrolled for this course, and reviews are so great. Okay, this is all 1 hour course, and this is for beginner, and you will learn Tableau over here. Okay, then you will get the project and other things. You can enroll for this course for free by clicking here. For that you need to register first. Okay, and link will be given in the description. So next free course is from the Great Learning, and this is with Microsoft, where you learn data visualization with Power BI, and this course is free of cost, but if you want certificate you need to pay for it. Okay, but I'm gonna tell you alternative for this program also. But if you want to learn free of cost, then you can learn from here. First is you will learn in this course is what is BI, then what is data visualization tool, what is Power BI, and components of Power BI. Apart from that, there are lots of things here. You are going to learn about Power BI DAX also. So this is the one of the best course that you can go for. But remember, if you want certificate, you need to pay for the certificate. Okay, now let's talk about next course. So next course is Power BI for beginners. Content partner is Microsoft. So basically you will get the certificate with Microsoft logo, and this is from Skill Up by Simply Learn. Okay, again this course is little longer, 6-hour long course, but you will get all the modules over here. Okay, plus you will get completion certificate, 90 days of access, and the certificate you will get free of cost. No payment terms or nothing, hidden charges are there. Okay, this certificate you will get. In this you will learn everything: what is Power BI, what is DAX, filter and group by in Power BI, group by demo, data modeling in Power BI, then demo of create a relationship in Power BI, and lastly we'll work on Power BI dashboard. So these all Power BI things are covered in this program. This is again a free of cost course for you, where you are getting certificate from the Microsoft. Next is Microsoft Power BI course. Now this is from Udemy, and this is a free course, you can see here, but you will not get any certificate over here. Okay, certificate of completion is not there. Okay, so you can check it out, this course also. This is one kind of a bonus course, I will say, and this is small course where it's only around 2 hours course, where you will get the introduction to Power BI plus working with Power BI and data modeling you will learn here. Okay, and lastly it's introduction to Tableau, and this is again we will get the certificate free of cost from Skill Up by Simply Learn. The course name is Introduction to Tableau, and here it is 2 hour long, plus you will get the completion certificate here. Okay, and here you will learn multiple modules are there, you can see almost 10 modules are there. First is your introduction to course, then second is your what is data visualization, third is Tableau WordPress, chart in Tableau, creating charts in Tableau, data preparation, LOD expression in Tableau, filters in Tableau, dashboard in Tableau, and storage in Tableau. So this course is complete a Tableau course that you can learn in 2 hours only. Okay, but I will suggest if you want anything related to data visualization, you should start learning with Power BI first, and the best course for it is Power BI for beginners by Skill Up by Simply Learn. Okay, this course is in collaboration with Microsoft, and you are going to get a Microsoft certification here. Okay, so these are some important courses that I wanted to tell you about. Also, if you want to learn more about free courses like data analysis free course, SQL free course, then your Python free course, whatever it is there, if you want to know more about it, you can drop the comment. I will create a dedicated video on it, and you will get that video as soon as possible. Okay, so guys, I hope you understood each and everything about the courses, where you can go, how you can enroll for these courses, and what certification you are going to get. Okay, so see you in next video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.